Latches, flip-flops and combinational circuits. All digital circuits are classified into two types, as combinational and sequential circuits. Any circuit without a memory storage element in it will be a combinational circuit, and with memory is a sequential circuit. The basic building blocks of any sequential circuits are, latches or flip-flops. Both of them can store a single bit in them as long as the power is driven to them. The main difference between latches and flip-flops is that for latches, their outputs are constantly affected by their inputs as long as the enable signal is asserted. In other words, when they are enabled, their content changes immediately when their inputs change. Flip-flops, on the other hand, have their content change only either at the rising or falling edge of the enable signal. This enable signal is usually the controlling clock signal. After the rising or falling edge of the clock, the flip-flop content remains constant even if the input changes. In simple words, a sequential storage element with clock signal will be a flip-flop, and without clock will be a latch.